We'll guide you through how to delete Google Photos without deleting from your phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've probably found yourself in the situation of where you are backing up your gallery and your phone photos onto Google Photos. Now across your Google account, you get 50 gigabytes free. After that, you need to start paying. So it doesn't take long to go and start filling up all your space. So perhaps you're going to run out of space, or perhaps you just don't want to be in Google Photos, and so you want to go and delete them. So perhaps you've gone and started selecting them across Google Photos. Let me go and scroll down. You can see here, these are backed up. So let's go and say I had gone and selected a ton I wanted to go and delete. And then you go and press bin, but it then goes and says, allow photos to move these to the bin. So this is going to go and also delete them from your phone, which is what we do not want to do. So let me press deny there. So to go about this, let me guide you through this. We're also going to go and stop the backup as well to go and stop them from backing up again in the future. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. So what you need to do in Google Photos is go to the top right and go and find your profile icon and go and tap there. This will then go and open up. What you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find Photos Settings, and you want to go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is at the top is you'll go and find the option for backup, and you need to go and tap there. Now, what you can do is go and switch off backup, and you're also going to see the option undo backup for this device. It says delete all backed up photos and videos from this device in Google Photos without deleting anything from your device. So they're going to be deleted from Google Photos, but not your phone. So you can tap that there. Make sure you read this through and understand all of this. You press I understand if you do, and you can then press delete Google Photos backup, and they'll be deleted.